Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is based on how you can fix what you can do before your phone number is banned on WhatsApp. So to ensure that your WhatsApp phone number isn't banned, you should adapt WhatsApp's terms of services and community guidelines. Here are some important steps. First of all, you can use WhatsApp responsibly. Avoid sending spam messages, hate speech, threat, or any form of abuse or illegal content. WhatsApp has strict policies against such behavior. So apart from it, do not use unofficial WhatsApp version. So use only official WhatsApp application from a reputable app store such as Play Store, and avoid using third-party versions of WhatsApp may not comply with your WhatsApp terms of services and can lead to your numbers being banned. Avoid engaging in mass messaging. Now, sending a large number of messages to people who are not in your contact list can be considered spamming. Use WhatsApp for personal and legitimate communication. Apart from it, if you receive unsolicited messages or spam from unknown contact, report them to WhatsApp. This helps in maintaining safe and secure environment. Now you can also enable two-step verification. If you go to your WhatsApp and tap on the three-dot icon, go to settings, here go to account, and you can tap on two-step verification, and after that you can enable two-step verification for privacy concern. Now avoid using WhatsApp for legal activities. So WhatsApp is not a platform for conducting illegal activities. Engaging in such activity can lead to serious consequences. Now, keeping your WhatsApp application up to date for the latest version, you'll need to go to your Play Store and then update the application as well. Now, be cautious of messages or call from unknown number claiming to be WhatsApp support. WhatsApp support will never ask you for verification code or personal information. By following these guidelines in WhatsApp and using WhatsApp responsibly, you can reduce the risk of having your phone number being banned. WhatsApp autonomy system may detect unusual or abusive behavior, so it's essential to use the platform in an unlawful and ethical manner. So that is basically what you can do before WhatsApp bans your phone number. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.